Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We are on the final 4 parts in order to get this 2-stroke scooter running. Brake line, grips, I need to get a key switch, and no, final 5 parts. Jets and air filter. After that, the bike gonna be ready to go, but I got 2 of them parts today. Alright, so the 2 new parts I got today. We got an 86-inch stainless steel braided brake line, and I got the new throttle grip, so definitely gonna be changing out this up here because I don't even have a grip on that side. But yeah, we about to start with the throttle grip install first. Let's get it going. All right, so as you can see on the left side, I don't even got a damn grip over here at all. I'm gonna be installing the pro tapers right here, or pro fakers, whatever it is. I mean, look at the packaging on this, man. You see this? I can literally, like, it's already ripped. This don't make no sense, but hey, for $6 you can't beat it. We about to get these installed. I'm gonna show you how. All right, if you look at this, you can see that this one right here is smaller than the one on the left. The one on the left side is gonna be going on the throttle side, and the one right here on the right is gonna be going on the left-hand side. Take a razor blade, try not to cut too deep, but just cut enough in order to split the old Chinese whatever, or dirt bike, whatever you put it on. Just enough in order to split it off that plastic. Just like that. Hey, Subi. Alright, so I usually have to fight in order to get these on here, but both of these just slip directly onto the bike. Like, jeez, look at that. I told y'all we're gonna clean this mug up. You see it. Alright, now we better work on getting this brake line installed. This is the moment we've been waiting on. Alright, here we go. Got the brake line ran. It's running all the way back through to the bike. Down here. I think my bleeder is on upside down. I could have sworn like bleeder's supposed to be on the bottom side, but it don't matter. Chinese scooter, we're gonna figure it out. Got the line going. We're gonna slap some fluid in this and see if it holds, see if it stopped the tire. Alright, so this is about the best view I could get. Peep this stuff. Spinning the tire. Spinning it. Jeez. That brake is locking, boy. Jeez. It took me about an hour or so with some daggone bleeding. But it works. So today we got the new levers and that hydro rear brake on. Now I'm just waiting on the helicoil kit so I can fix that daggone head stud down there and this one, and the bike will be running. All right, I'm tired now because that bleeding mess, it took forever, and I swear for the longest I thought I really was not gonna get any kind of compression. Like, it felt no break at all, but I did have to take into account that that was a fresh line, and fresh line, fresh master cylinder, fresh everything, so there was no fluid at all. I was gonna have to chase and chase and chase to get air out of it, and I still probably will bleed it another 3 or 4 times before actually riding on it and trying to wheelie it, because last thing I need is for another rear brake to be going out. But subscribe, like, comment, hit the noti bell, and stay tuned because the wheelies are coming very soon. After about an hour or so, we finally got some fluid in this thing and got it bled. I can't really show y'all me stopping the tire. I wish, but I can't spin it fast enough in order to stop it with the brake. But it do work. Let's see if I set y'all up right here. See? That. Put the phone there.